Hello, my dear friends. This is Dr. Mario Wong, specialist in clinical nutrition and metabolic health. Today I want to share a topic with you that I'm passionate about because I see it every single day in my practice: chronic fatigue. That exhaustion that doesn't go away with a full night's sleep. That burnout that drains your motivation, steals your mental clarity, and makes you feel as if your body simply isn't responding. I want to clarify something from the start. As my admired Frank Suarez always used to say, the body doesn't lie. When the body speaks, you must listen. And exhaustion is a very clear message. Either something is missing or something is in the way. Today we are going to talk specifically about key vitamins that can help you recover your energy, vitality, and mental clarity. I'm not talking about miracles. I'm talking about supporting the body with what it truly needs. So if you've been feeling like you're always tired lately, stay with me. This information could change your life. First things first, why are so many people tired nowadays? In the last 10 years, I've seen a massive increase in generalized fatigue. And the reason isn't always stress, as many believe. Stress plays a part, of course, but what's actually happening is a silent phenomenon. People are living with nutritional deficiencies without knowing it. And mind you, I'm not referring to extreme malnutrition. I'm talking about eating a lot, but nourishing yourself very little. We eat foods that fill the stomach, but not foods that fuel the cells. And when a cell lacks a key vitamin, energy drops, metabolism slows down, and that fatigue appears. The kind that not even 3 coffees can fix. Let's talk about the vitamin that helps most in fighting fatigue. Vitamin B12, the queen of energy. It's the most ignored vitamin, and the one that affects your vitality the most. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production, the nervous system, red blood cell formation, concentration, and mood. When B12 is lacking, people describe intense exhaustion, brain fog, muscle pain, irritability, palpitations, lack of motivation, and numbness in the hands or feet. What's most shocking is that there are millions of people with a deficiency who have no idea. Why? Because B12 is absorbed in the stomach and intestines, and many people today have intestinal inflammation without symptoms. Furthermore, those on restrictive diets, vegans, vegetarians, as well as older adults or people with gastritis, are the ones who lose it the most. The good news? Optimizing it is simple. Eggs, fish, seafood, dairy, and lean meats are excellent sources, and if there is a deficiency, supervised supplementation can be a before and after moment for your health. Now let's look at vitamin B1, the vitamin for the nervous system and daily wear and tear. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, is responsible for making your nerves and brain function. When it's depleted, a person feels emotional fatigue, a racing mind, palpitations, anxiety, chronic tiredness, mild depression, and sleep disorders. And why does it run out? Because of something Frank Suarez repeated time and time again. An excess of carbohydrates destroys it. When we eat too much bread, rice, sugar, pasta, sweets, or flour, the body uses large amounts of thiamine to process those carbs. As a result, you run empty, you get tired, you become irritated, and fatigue sets in. What foods should you eat to recover B1? Pork, nuts, seeds, eggs, legumes, and in terms of supplementation, benfotiamine or thiamine HCl work excellently. Vitamin D, the hormone of energy and mood. We call vitamin D a vitamin, but it actually functions as a hormone. 70% of adults today are deficient. Symptoms include fatigue, body aches, lack of strength, sadness for no reason, apathy, and immune issues. Vitamin D regulates over 1,000 processes in the body. If it's missing, energy drops. 3 keys to raising it: a few minutes of sun daily, foods like salmon, egg yolks, and dairy, and supplementation if necessary. Vitamin C, the spark for the immune system and stress management. Vitamin C is responsible for helping the thyroid, the adrenal glands, and the immune system. When people go through prolonged periods of stress, vitamin C levels drop sharply. When it's lacking, fatigue becomes constant. There is a higher susceptibility to infections, muscle recovery is slow, and it's hard to concentrate. Natural sources include kiwi, strawberries, citrus fruits, peppers, and broccoli. Proper intake can transform your recovery capacity. B6, the vitamin that regulates mood and clarity. Vitamin B6 helps transform nutrients into energy and regulates neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. If you feel tired, but also unmotivated, apathetic, or lacking enthusiasm, it could be a B6 deficit. It's a crucial vitamin for mental energy, sleep, emotional state, and the nervous system. Foods: chicken, chickpeas, fish, bananas, and nuts. The most important part, and I know you're wondering, is, should they be taken together? The answer is definitely yes. The body works as a team. Metabolism is like an orchestra. It's no use having a virtuoso violinist if the drummer is failing. Vitamins work the same way. B12 works with B6. B1 helps B6 function. Vitamin C protects the nervous system. Vitamin D improves absorption and overall energy. That's why, often, the best option is a quality B complex plus a good source of vitamin C and proper vitamin D maintenance. So, doctor, what do I do if I feel tired all the time? I'll give you a simple plan I apply with my patients. Step 1. Reduce what steals your energy: sugar, flour, ultra-processed foods, excess coffee, and alcohol. Step 2. Add real foods rich in vitamins: eggs, lean meats, fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, fish, nuts, and seeds. Step 3. Evaluate your B12, D, and B complex levels. Most tired people improve remarkably when they correct these deficiencies. Step 4. Improve your hydration. Dehydration is a hidden cause of fatigue. Step 5. Sleep before midnight. The body repairs itself mainly between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. And now, I'm going to tell you the truth, that nobody says being tired is not normal. It's not normal to live exhausted. It's not normal to depend on coffee. It's not normal to feel like you have no strength. It's not normal for your enthusiasm to fade away. That isn't just age. That isn't just stress. That is a body crying out for help. And when you give it the right vitamins, it's impressive how the body responds. The body always wants to heal, it just needs the resources. My dear friends, I hope this message has given you clarity and hope. If you are tired, listen to your body, check your vitamins, make small changes, and you will see how your energy returns. I am Dr. Mario Wong, nutrition specialist. Thank you for joining me.